Hello everybody, this is Joe Leonard with GeoVision. This video will be an overview of the GeoVision Access Control product lineup. In addition to GeoVision's video surveillance solutions, we do have a full line of access control products that integrate with our video, and this video will be an overview of those solutions. First up are the access control panels. We have the GV-AS1620. This is a unit that will do two-way control of a single door and can be powered by PoE+. The GV-AS2120 is a unit that can control 4 doors of two-way control. It has 8 inputs and outputs and can also be powered by PoE+. The GV-AS4111 kit and 8111 kit are a 4 and 8 door control panel that can do two-way control of 4 and 8 doors respectively. And each one has 16 inputs and 24 outputs. One difference on this panel is it is a larger control box. It does have a slot for a battery backup, and it also has an onboard power board. This allows you to power strikes or locks that are 12 volt, half amp, or less. All GeoVision control panels can support both GeoVision readers or third-party readers as long as they are a 26 through 64-bit Wiegand device. Readers and credentials. We do have our own line of readers as well as credentials that can be paired with those readers. The GV-DFR 1352 is the Mullion-style outdoor rated reader. The GV-R 1352 is a single-gang outdoor rated reader. The GV-RK 1352 is a combination reader that can do pin and card and is outdoor rated. And the GV-GF 1922 is a fingerprint plus card reader that is indoor rated only. When using GeoVision readers, it is recommended to use GeoVision credentials. These are 13.56 megahertz MyFair readers and credentials. The cards and fobs that we offer are sold individually. The GV-CS 1320 is our door station controller product. This unit is a single door controller, reader, camera, and intercom all in one device. This can be mounted at a door and plugged into the network for communication. Your door lock and request to exit button would be wired directly to the unit. If an employee or a resident walks up to the unit, they can present their credential and the door will unlock. If a guest walks up to the unit, they can press the button on it and it can send a notification to one of 3 locations. You can have a desktop program ring and notify you that there is someone at the door. You can also receive a notification through our mobile application called GV Access. And then lastly, it is SIP compliant, so you can receive a notification through a voice over IP phone. On all 3 of these options, you are able to see video, have a two-way conversation with the person at the door, and also click to unlock the door. The GV-RU9003 is a long-range reader device that has 32 feet of read range and is meant for gate applications. This can be mounted at a gate, and a sticker credential would be applied to the windshield or the headlight of the vehicle. Once the vehicle approaches the gate and gets within 32 feet, the credential will be read by the long-range reader and the gate will be activated. The GV-AS1520 is a single gate controller and long-range reader all in one. This allows a user to connect the unit directly at the gate with just power and run it standalone. This does not require wiring back into a network, as you can enroll all of your credentials directly into the unit's database and run it as a standalone device. It still does have 32 feet of read range, and it can work with the same sticker credentials with the long-range reader. We do offer a facial recognition access control solution. This allows you to pair the GV-VD8700 series facial recognition embedded camera, for example, with our GV-FWC face-to-Wiegand converter, with our access control panel or a third-party access control panel. And what this allows you to do is create a contactless facial recognition-based access control solution. Your face becomes your credential. As you walk up to the door, you look at the camera, If your face is in the database and you are approved for that door, you're granted access to that door. With the GV-VD8700 and the GV-FWC face-to-Wiegand converter, these units can be used with either GeoVision access control panels or third-party access control panels that will accept a 26-bit Wiegand device to provide a completely contactless facial recognition access control solution. The software that manages GeoVision's access control hardware is called AS Manager. This is a software that would reside on a Windows-based machine. It integrates with video. You can assign a camera to be associated with a reader at a door. So when someone walks up to the door and presents a credential, it will take a snapshot and save it in your access control log. The AS Manager software is free for the first 4 control panels on every installation. It doesn't matter if it's a single door control panel or an 8-door control panel. You get 4 control panel licenses on every installation. If you exceed 4 panels, there is a one-time license fee to get additional panels into the software. The max number of panels is 1,000. AS Web is a free client utility that comes with AS Manager and allows a user to be able to remotely manage their access control through a web browser. You're able to go in and add new users, add cards, look at your logs, unlock doors, generate reports. Everything that you could do on site with AS Manager, you are able to do through the AS Web client. This has been an overview of the GeoVision Access Control lineup. For more information, feel free to contact us at the number listed on the screen or the email address. You can also check out our website at www.geovision.com.tw/US. Thank you for watching.